Now that we have a folder, let's take a look at what's involved in getting files into and out of these folders. We're going to use these to manage and to organize, so we need to know how this works. Because we have to cater to individuals who are also using smart devices, we need several ways to go about doing this. And then those of you who are working with the classic view, their things are very different. Now, I need to tell you, in the classic view, it was really a bit of an abomination to have to move and copy files. I mean, you could do it, but it seemed like a very large number of steps, to the place where it got so bewildering that in the classic view, so many times we would just download documents completely and then re-upload them someplace else to where we really want them, another library, or in this case, a folder. In the modern view, it's like, man, have they streamlined this? I was thinking, yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. The easiest way is first to grab your library, select a single file, move the mouse pointer slightly to the right. You see I still have a pointer shape. It's click and drag now. I could never do this in the earlier versions. Click, drag, check it out. Move one item, let go of the clicker, give it a few seconds. My file is moved. There's no undo for this. Let's go look at it. Here's my file. I'll select it a second time, click, drag, and I can move it right back here into Project Alpha, to the root level of the library. Give that a few moments. There we are. I'll just click back, and here it is. Now, you're thinking, well, so this is going to be a short segment, right? Well, hold on, because it's not so easy to do that in a smaller device when you're working with a touch screen. It's just not quite, I mean, it can be done, but it's a little tricky. So what they've done is made this a little bit simpler. What I can do from several locations, let's first select this. Once I have this selected, I now get some options over here. Here we are. Move to, copy to. This might be a more formal way to do it, but if you're struggling with the interface on a different device, this is the way to go. And look what it gives me for options. I can go directly to OneDrive or any of the subsites to which this account has access. That's kind of nice. When I click into current library, it's called Project Alpha, I'll select the folder called Spreadsheets, please. Move it here. Give it a few seconds, and there it goes. Right, so that was a few more steps. It is, but it's actually a little bit cleaner when you're doing this on a different type of device, so we need to know that. Now, I don't need to move it back out that way. I'll just open up the folder, single click to select it, and I'll put the mouse pointer on this gray selection bar area, click and drag this right onto the library name itself. Give that a few moments, and it will go back. Not too much, we'll get that eventually. There we are. All right, and we're back where we started. Now, if for some reason your library is being managed in Classic View, this is a little more challenging. Here's Return to Classic SharePoint at the bottom left of my screen. I'll simply click this. Now I'm in Classic View, and here's the file. Now, it's not that you don't get options, but you have to look in different places, and it's not quite as clean. When I click over here on this Open menu, I don't really see what I want here. I can click around here, and here is a copy option. But you see how clumsy this becomes. You have to know an address, and you'll get a piece over here, followed by some more pieces of information. So this gets a little bit more involved. Let's X out of here. It's the same thing if I work with the Files tab. It's not that there's no way to do it, but certainly nothing actually says what we really want. You do get a Send To and a small copy option up here, which will take you through a similar experience. Right? So it can be done. It's just going to be some more steps, and you have to know where to look. And this is very difficult to do on a mobile device. I'm going to exit the Classic experience. Here we are. I want to come back into the modern view. As much as possible, copying and moving files, this is the way to do it from right here. A little bit more formal up here, but you can see how it's going to get done. And once you get your documents organized, this will become second nature to you.
We hope this video helped. Make sure to click the thumbs up and click the subscribe button right here. And click the link above to check out our Limelight classes, a free virtual live training. See you in the next video.